Here's the truth about legal insurance from your employer. So you found out you have legal insurance through your work, and you're wondering, can I rely on legal insurance to get my will in place? Well, let me help you out here. In a group legal insurance policy, you can get free legal services by using in-network attorneys. But there are three main problems with this model. Number one is that your legal insurance plan doesn't pay the lawyer working with you enough to put in place planning that you really need. Sure, it'll cover the 4 standard documents that frankly you could do yourself with a Dave Ramsey or Susie Orman kit, but these documents are not enough to keep your family out of court and out of conflict or ensure that none of your assets are lost, even if your situation is fairly simple. I'm sorry to tell you about that, but there's another problem. Number 2 is that your selection of attorneys is limited to those who are in network and accept insurance. And do you really want your family turning to the lawyer you turned to because they were in network or the cheapest solution during their time of grief? They deserve more than that. And problem number 3 is that your 4 standard documents won't ensure that your assets aren't lost when something happens to you. And that's one of the most important parts of planning that DIY and insurance-covered plans overlook. Not to mention the parts of the plan that go beyond your assets into what really matters to you, your values, your insights, your stories, and your experience. Oh, and I just remembered a 4th problem. If you have minor kids, that insurance-covered plan will not make sure that they're raised by the people you want in the way that you want and ensure that they're never raised by anyone you wouldn't want. That only happens with a kids protection plan, and your legal insurance simply won't cover that. If you're considering using legal insurance, you probably want to read my book, Wear Clean Underwear First. You can get it on Amazon or at the link in my bio, because if you're a parent, wearing clean underwear alone isn't enough. If you're in an accident, there's critical legal planning steps that you need to have taken, and it's more than your legal insurance plan will provide. But all the details are right here in Wear Clean Underwear.